Year. Hi, my name is Prachi and I post videos every Monday and Thursday. So yeah, for today we are going to do swatches of few lipsticks that is from MyGlam. I have 5 lipsticks and yeah, these lipsticks are all brought by me and I have also not tried it yet. So yeah, I am going to try it with you guys today in this video. So if this is something that interests you, please watch this video till the end. And now without any further ado, let's just directly dive into the video. Also, yeah, before swatching any of the lipsticks, let me tell you that these lipsticks are costly, but I would say if you get it on sale, then it's a steal deal. Yeah, now let's just move on to the lipstick swatches. So the very first lipstick that we have here is this kind of a lipstick, and its packaging is somewhat like this. बहुत sleek सा packaging है, बहुत पतला packaging है, like proper for this lipstick. And yeah, this is in the shade Submarine. This is their MyGlam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is what it looks like. So this is the lipstick that I am wearing today. So it's in the shade purple. I would say deep purple kind of a shade. And yeah, this is how the lipstick looks like on my hand. This is what the lipstick looks like, and this is what it looks like on the lips. So yeah, this was priced at ₹395, but I got it on sale for I exactly don't know the price क्योंकि मैंने इसके साथ और एक लिया था, तो आपको मैं वो अभी इसके साथ में दिखा देती हूँ. वो दोनों मेरे को मिला के 344 पड़ा. So this is the first lipstick that we have. Moving on to the second lipstick that I bought with that particular lipstick. It is this one. ये थोड़ा अलग है पहले वाला लिपस्टिक से. बाकी all of them are LIT वाला लिपस्टिक, but this is MyGlam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick. This packaging is so cute. It's written XOXO all over the packaging with golden hearts in it. And yeah, this is what the inside thing looks like. This is what the lipstick looks like. Oh my god, the packaging is so luxurious. Moving on to the fifth and the last but not the least lipstick of today's video. We have Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick again, and this was also priced at ₹395, but I got this for ₹100. And yeah, for ₹100, oh my god, I am so shocked. That my favorite is N by Becca lipstick. I have told you a lot, but this lipsticks, if you get it on sale, get it. This is the first red lipstick that I got in past 6 to 7 months. Like I have been using the purplish maroonish kind of shade since 6 months, but this is the red lipstick that I got, and it's in the shade OTP. I really like the naming system. This is what the packaging looks like. It's in the shade Vixen 02, and yeah, this is what the lipstick looks like. I have not tried it at all. So roll on wala hai, and this is the shade. This is very deep maroon, like a brownish maroon kind of a shade. So yeah, let me show you what this shade looks like. It's a very pretty maroonish, dark maroonish kind of a shade. You can see it. It's very pretty. And yeah, this package, I love the packaging. This is so pretty, so luxurious and so handy. पतला सा भी packaging है. This was priced at ₹700, but I got this lipstick and this lipstick together. So this was on a sale. I got this on sale for ₹344. So this was the 2 lipsticks till now. And moving on to the third lipstick, we have this MyGlam का LIT lipstick. Okay, one thing I would say that I have not used lipstick. I have just applied it before this video, so I don't know whether it is transfer proof or not. So I'll be giving that transfer proof wala review at the end of this video, most probably. So yeah, and this is the third lipstick. It looks like this. This is white color ka packaging mein with golden. MyGlam has this golden wala thing all over, and it's written MyGlam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick. That was liquid matte lipstick, and this is satin matte lipstick, and I am in the shade Pretty Liars, and this is what the shade looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but currently I am more into purplish maroon kind of a shade, so I have bought many of the lipstick in that shade. So yeah, this is what the shade looks like, and this is also kind of a purplish dark purple kind of a shade. So let me swatch it for you guys once. I don't think this lipstick is matte or non-transfer proof. I guess this is the shade right here. I think this will just go ek baar mein, and I don't know, I have mixed feeling with this lipstick, but let's see at the end of this video. So yeah, this was the third lipstick that we have, and this was priced at rupees 495, but I got it on sale for rupees 282. Moving on to the fourth lipstick, we have this lipstick right over here. Packaging is same as the first one, and this was also priced at rupees 395, but let me show you the inner packaging. Okay, so this is what the inner packaging looks like. I'm so sorry, again we have purple lipstick, but this is not deep purple. This is jo normal purple wala aata hai na, wo wala purple. Let me swatch it for you guys. I have not even used it, मतलब एक बार भी मैंने इसको swatch भी नहीं करके देखा है अभी तक. So let's see. This is in the shade, by the way, Draking, and ये ना मेरे को 100 rupees में मिल गया था. This is priced at rupees 395, but this particular lipstick I got it for rupees 100, and this is what the shade looks like. Oh wait, this is the shade, and wait, I think the first shade and this shade is kind of similar. I don't know. Like this is kind of a purple color zyada, and this is deep purple. I hope you can see the difference, but they're looking kind of same. So yeah, I got this is in the deep purple and this is the light purple kind of a shade, and they have pretty names like OTP, Drakings, Pretty Liars and everything. Their name is so pretty. This is, you know, bold red kind of thing. Oh my god. Let me show you guys. So this is the shade, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what the lipstick looks like. This was also priced at rupees 395, but I got it in sale for rupees 100. This is as well the liquid matte lipstick, the same packaging as the previous ones. And now let's check what this lipstick basically says. This says it is long lasting, smudge proof, transfer proof with intense color payoff, a super matte finish and enriched with nourishing moringa oil. So I feel this, I don't know about transfer proof or matte, we'll just see at the end of this video, but I feel this color payoff is bomb. Like the pigmentation is supreme. Like this lipstick is supremely pigmented. The color payoff is bomb. Like I have swatched ek bar ya do bar and look at the color payoff. I think this is highly pigmented. And now let's check the first one ka transfer proof wala thing. Okay, yeah, this is transfer proof, guys. This is the first one and nothing comes off. So this is transfer proof, and yeah, this is smudge proof as well. See, nothing comes off. And yeah, the first, this LIT liquid lipstick, I guess this is a transfer proof and a smudge proof lipstick. And now let's move on to the ultimate one, and this was costly. Okay, this was for rupees 700, you all know that. Yeah, this is a pigmented one, but let's check the transfer proof one. I don't know, this is not a transfer proof lipstick. By the way, it's a crayon lipstick, so you know it will get transferred as much as you try, but this is the second lipstick that we have, and yeah, it comes off. As you can see here, it comes off. This is a matte lipstick, I would say, but this is not a transfer proof lipstick. So yeah, let's see. Now let's check the third one, which is this one, and I don't have any hope with this lipstick. I don't know why. Let's check. Oh my god, you see, it came out, like literally all of the thing came out of my hand. I don't think it's a matte lipstick. I don't think it's a transfer proof. It is a smudge proof lipstick. Look, it is a smudge proof lipstick, and yeah, I am not really happy with this lipstick, but it's a bullet lipstick, so we cannot help. We all know that bullet lipsticks are not smudge proof, so yeah, I can consider that. Now moving on to this lipstick, which was in the shade Draking, and this was as same as the first one, and yeah, nothing comes off of these two lipsticks. This two lipstick ka nothing comes off. It is smudge proof, transfer proof as well. I get My Glam ka, I am in love with these liquid matte lipsticks, with LIT liquid matte lipsticks, and I am in love with the packaging of this lipstick, this Vixen shade wala ka. So yeah, this was our 5 for today's video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And if you faced any problem with this sunlight, please ignore that, because it's super sunny today and I am facing the direct sunlight from this side. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.